Tired of irritation, redness, or damaged skin barrier? Meet Avène Cicalfate Plus Restorative Cream, the French miracle cream that's gone viral for repairing even the most sensitive skin. Formulated with Copper-Zinc complex and Avene thermal spring water, this microbiome-friendly cream soothes, protects, and restores your skin 4x faster. It hydrates for up to 48 hours while calming irritation and dryness, perfect after breakouts, laser treatments, or harsh weather. Thousands of users call it their skin saver. It's thick and nourishing, amazing for dry or damaged skin, though it might feel a bit heavy for oily types. Still, its power to calm redness and rebuild your barrier makes it totally worth it. If your skin needs a reset, this cream could be your best friend. Find the authentic product on Amazon, link in the description below. Your healthy, calm skin starts here.